Hello, I'm Daniel, I'm Product Manager, and it's a pleasure to introduce you today our new generation of hot water high pressure cleaners, the new HDS Compact class. Unlike the old HDS Compact class, the new one has environmental protection at the push of a button. The eco-efficiency mode. This means 20% fuel savings and therefore a protection of the environment. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with a precise detergent dosage and additional rinsing function. The new HDS Compact class is also characterized by the central positioned operation panel. So the first notch position means off. At the second one, you turn the machine on and it's running in the cold water mode. If you continue to turn the switch, the burner will be activated and the machine is running in the hot water mode. Within this area, you can control all temperatures of dial. Beyond the 100 degrees, you get in the steam zone, which is needed to remove stubborn soiling like oil and grease. At the top of the operation panel, there's also a display that shows the current condition of the machine. It is easy to fill up the detergent tank because of the wide filler neck. In order to avoid calcification of the heating coil, an easy changeable system care bottle is used that adds every few seconds a defined quantity of descaler into the water. After exhaustion, you just have to insert a new one. The new HDS Compact class is also characterized by its outstanding mobility. The jogger design, which means large wheels at the back and the castor at the front, enables to move the machine in a very easy and very comfortable way. Due to an easy and sophisticated storage concept, setup times can be reduced. Under the cover, there's also an accessory compartment for nozzles, dirt blaster, manual and other things. The new HDS Compact class is also equipped with a Kärcher power nozzle. Thanks to this nozzle, an approximately 40% higher impact force is ensured compared to a conventional fan jet nozzle. The easy press trigger gun enables a fatigue-free operation, and thanks to servo control, an adjustment of the water flow rate and pressure is possible directly at the gun. Powerful cleaning, environmentally friendly, easy to operate and an outstanding mobility. This is the new HDS Compact class.